do you want to do this mod? This one is, I modded this holder, and it's made of real carbon fiber. So if you want to do that mod, watch this video.
Get ready.
So for this mod, we will customize this Flydigi holder. If you're using casing, so if you fit it to the Flydigi holder, it will fit, but it can't hold much of the cell phone that has casing, as you can see here. See, it cannot hold the mobile phones properly if it has casing, so that's why I will mod this so it can hold mobile phones that has casing. This is made of tissue paper with super glue, and I'll be putting it on here. So now it can hold mobile phones that has casing. See? So all you need is a thin piece of cardboard like this. So cut it to size. So make sure it's a tight fit. You have to cut this. We add pressure. Just add pressure so that we can easily fold the line. Add pressure. Cut this. And fold this. See, you can easily fold this. Cut this. And then cut this, and then also cut this. It will be like this. I have to cut this first. Cut this slant. Test fit. And fold this. Make sure it's very tight. It should look like that. Put glue stick here or any glue. Make sure it's a very tight fit. Okay, it should look like that. Let's put a line here, guideline. So make sure this cardboard is touching the screen. So let's put guideline here. Don't cut the line, just make an allowance, and I think that's okay. So we're gonna do this, so this part will not move. See, so we need to wax this. Wax, the purpose of this is that so we can easily remove the final product. What we need now is super glue and tissue paper. Put super glue on the edges, put the tissue paper, on the top, just small amount of super glue, and on the edges. It's very important to put super glue on the edges. Trim the excess, cut it here, then put super glue on the edges again. Okay, cut it here again. Super glue on the edges. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Put again super glue here. Oh, and also here. So after that, we will wet all the cardboard with super glue. Wet all the parts with cardboard with super glue. So do this 3 times. So we should have 3 layers, or you can do 4 layers, it's up to you. So when you're done of 3 coats, just trim the excess part. So before removing the cardboard, you should sand it down. Once you're done with the sanding part, just slowly remove the cardboard. Just a heads up, tissue paper with super glue is brittle, so I really suggest you do 3 layers, 3 to 4 layers. There you go. Let's test fit. So let's test fit it. So there you go. So since I do know how to carbon fiber skinning, I will make this carbon fiber. So this is a real carbon fiber. Let's wait for it to dry and do second coat and then trim the edges. I already sprayed it with clear coat. So let's wait for it to dry. So if you're interested on how to make carbon fiber skinning, I'll link it in the description box down below. So in order for us to put this carbon fiber holder On top of this, we need glue stick. We need glue gun. Let's put glue stick on here, and here. It will not ruin your Flydigi holder. If you don't want this anymore, just remove it. Remove the holder cap and remove the glue stick. So let's glue this one. Hold it firmly. Add slight pressure. Wait for it to dry. So this is now my Flydigi Apex 2 holder mod. So now it can hold mobile phones that has casing. See? When if you shake this, it will not fall off. So that's it for Flydigi Apex 2 holder mod made of carbon fiber. So by the way, as you can see, my Flydigi Apex 2 has silicone casing. See, so if you want to do this silicone casing for Flydigi Apex 2, you can click here. So that's my tutorial for Flydigi Apex 2 silicone case. So that's it. I hope that you like this video, and if this video helps you, please do click the like button, share it with your friends and families, and that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.